Hello friends, welcome to yet another Frontend Mentor challenge where we are going to do this Frontend Mentor channel, which is known as Huddle landing page with a single introductory session. So this is this challenge we are going to do that. So I have logged in with my GitHub account, and then also I have downloaded the zip file. They provide us a zip file. So what the zip file contain? Zip file contains JPG images and all those things, styles and all. Figma and all, they are not there. They are in the pro version. So the free version is also very good, means you get a lot of things there. So I have downloaded it. So it gave me something like this zip. So then the zip, I have extracted it, and I have opened it in my VS Code. And so let's get started. And the zip also gets a design thing, means the first thing which we have to make. And I generally first see the desktop. This is a desktop, so let me have it opened and I will start. Okay, so it is opened, and before even opening index.html, let me create style.css. Yeah, style.css. Then it's okay. Yeah, and index.html, I'll come back. Let me make it a bit big. I will soon make it a bit bigger. Okay, so index.html, let me remove some of the things. Actually, I don't generally use this, so let me remove it. And it's okay. This also I don't use, so let me remove that also. And let us link our style sheet. Did I forgot to? Why it is not coming? Link. Okay, it is actually not coming. It's okay. Sometimes you get used to this thing so much that you forgot how to write the link. Okay, it's okay, not an issue. Okay, so this is like this. Let me start it with live server. So go live, I will click, so it will start. So live server is the extension which I have. So it is very good for doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript development. So it works like what you do in React, the hot reloading. You change anything, it will be changed. So it's better, or else you have to refresh the HTML file every time. So this is very good. So let me do this, close it. And I don't use Chrome that much, as you might have noticed. I use generally Firefox Developer Edition, so that is good. So the first thing which I generally do in Frontend Mentor challenge is to have this structure of the HTML, then only we go to the CSS. So let us build a structure first, and let us also open the style guide. Okay, so so they are saying one more thing, which you can see. They're saying that you have to use for social icons are there, so you can use anything like font awesome and all those things. So that means we need to use font awesome. Okay, so font awesome is generally a very font awesome CDN. What I have found, it is not that much easy to get the correct CDN. Then also let me search it. CDN. and this is very let me use this one. Okay, link and it is see, now it is coming. Link style sheet href will not be style.css, but href will be this. So font awesome is also there, okay, in our project. So the next thing is, oh, now it has gone. Now it is there. Okay, div dot container. So I am building a container first. Okay, so as you might know, everything will go inside this. Okay, and after that they had provided us images also. Actually, if you go here, this images, they have provided us with the logo, so we will use that first, logo. So after the container, img image source is dot images slash logo dot svg, and let us give a alt also. Alt is logo. Okay, alt is logo. Then okay, and there will be class also, because we are going to use that class equal to logo. Okay, and then div dot grid layout, and inside this grid layout we will have all these things. I will soon bring them. Okay, so div dot grid layout, and then img, again img source is images, illustration mockup svg is there, and it is illustration. Let's give the right name, and let us give a class also, and let it have the same name, illustration. Okay, and then after this image there will be another div dot content. Okay, and this one will be having h1, and the h1 will be this, control x and control v, and after the h1 there will be a p, and this p will contain this thing. Okay, save it, and then after this p there will be a button. Okay, and div and div is there, and after that we have some icons like this. For that only we have done with font awesome. We have imported font awesome for that only, so let me do that. Okay, so let me have that in a ul ordered list, and then li into 3. Then inside the li I want a into 3. I hope I am right. I am doing right. Oh no, I am not right. So li into 3. See, this is the short form of li into 3, and then inside it I want a. Okay, yeah, now I am right. Yeah, now I wanted it like this. Actually I could have gone more, but it's okay. Okay. We want font awesome. So font awesome is like, I took that version because font awesome will keep on changing. Version 6 not the latest one, and then I have to again understand that thing. Okay, I class equal to b Facebook f. If you want it to go anywhere to your personal account, you can. Anyways, href you have to give your TWITTR for Twitter, Instagram. See, this is all perfect. It is coming, and this image is also coming perfect. Okay, so now it's time to go to our style.css, and style.css I can have this like this, and so that I can have the whole thing. And now we'll do start with the style.css. I need the style guide actually. Okay, so first thing first, box sizing is border box, body is background image. So they have given us a background image also, a very nice background image actually. URL images and bg desktop svg. So if I save it, see the background. So this is the background which they have given us, bg desktop svg. Yeah, bg desktop svg, and then we have to change it to background repeat is no repeat. So actually it is repeating, so no repeat. Background size is cover, so that it gives us the whole image. Background size is cover, and then background color is see, this is the primary background color. We have a background image, but we have a background color also. So let me do this and let me save it. See, this is exactly the thing which we wanted. See, the background color, background image is there, but background color is also there. So it is showing like this, background image and background color. Okay, So this is like this, and after that display is grid. Okay, display is grid, and place items is center. Display grid place items center, it will place everything to the center. So this is very good. This is equivalent to justify item center and align item center, two things in one place item center. And min height is 100 vertical height. Okay, so this is the 100 vertical height is done, and now we will do for the our container. Container is with this 800 px, and margin is auto. See, max with this 100%. Okay, and then font family. What is the font family? Okay, font family is Open Sans also and Poppins, so both of them we need it actually. So let us get it actually. So let me go here again, we'll do it like this. Poppins, I'm going, Google Fonts we are going, and now what they are saying that we want 406, and you can go to directly Google Fonts and search for Poppins only, this page will come. So that's saying that we want 400 and 600. So regular only, generally we should take 400 is this one. Okay, and 600 is mostly this one. Okay, so this one we have taken, and now actually we have to do this also, Open Sans. So how do I do this? Browse fonts. Okay, this is saved here. Okay, Open Sans is this one only. Okay, Open Sans I have come, and I want only 400 from here. Okay, so now everything is here. So if I go to this imports, it will give me both of them, the Open Sans plus Poppins, and all those things are there. So let me do this. Okay, let it be like this only. And here I will paste it. Okay, and then here the general font family is Open Sans. That was the reason they have given us Open Sans font family. So it is different than the sans serif, so we have to give it in quotes. So this is how to use Google Font. So you have to import it and Open Sans. Anyways, it has a space. So Open Sans, comma, the back office sans serif. So let it be there. If someone doesn't have Open Sans, okay. So this is done, and then we have to do something for the images. Okay, so our image is this. Yeah, so image and G max width is 100%. Okay, so now it is showing right, and we have something known as a grid. So we are using this grid again. So see this div grid. So this gets actually everything, means till here, till this register thing, it is getting this is different. So this grid is content. So the immediate children is this images. See, Huddle is the logo, actually this is coming from the logo. So this image is there, and then the other children is the content. So div contents, these are the two children. So in grid and flexos, it is very important to understand who is the children, direct children. So on them only it applies. So this is one children and this is one children, not this h1 and p. So image and div, these are the children's. So let me go back here and where it is, not grid layout, display grid, and GTC grid template column, and repeat. So we are having two columns, 2, 1 FR. So why 2 column? Because we want this and this to come alongside. I could have used flexbox also for that. Flexbox would also be suited a lot here, but it's okay. Means we should know how to use both of them. 2 1 FR. 1 FR means simple row, means, but why it is not happening? Display grid template column. Let me do one thing. Let me make the h1 first. H1 font family is POPPINS, small pins, comma, sans serif. Okay. Yeah, I think that the space was causing the problem. Repeat 2 1 FR. So now it is coming perfect. Repeat 2 1 FR, and the fonts also I have changed fonts one. Now let fix the width and all those things. Let us fix those. The container, it should be a bit more. I think, yeah, it's a bit more. So let us make it a bit more wider. So let us make it not 800 but 960. So it is a bit bigger. Okay. And grid template layout, what I found out, it is not equal. It is not equal actually. So repeat is not suited here, so we can divide it actually. So the best thing is that let us give one as 8 FR and the second one is 6 FR. So see, now it had come perfect, and there should be a gap also between this. So I want only the column gap. Column gap is 1.2 rem. So this column gap, the gap is coming. Okay, that's good. And the color is white, which is black right now, and there is some font weight also. So color is #FFF, and font weight is 400. Okay, and the paragraph is color is #FFF, and opacity is 0.8. Okay, so both of those things are there. So now it is looking fine. So the next thing is that we have to complete our button plus this Facebook and all those things. Okay, so the button we will complete now. So let us complete the button. Button is padding 16 px, 54px. Font size is 1.4 rem. Border radius is 50px. Outline is none, and border is none. Color is, yes, color again they have given us this magenta color. No, this violet color only we need for the button color. Yeah, so color is there, and a bit of box shadow. Box shadow generally they don't give us. This is what I only generally make, and so you can take any box shadow which you feel right. 0.5px, 10px, RGBA, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Okay, so a bit of box shadow is there, and now we have to fix this. Then our desktop will be fixed. So how to fix this? This is, as you can see, this is inside a unordered list, and inside that a list item is there. So unordered list, it is display is flex, and justify content is flex, and so only this much. See, it has moved it to the end. As you can see, it has moved it to the end, flex end. Okay, now padding is 0, and the main thing is that we don't want the list styles. List styl is style, not list style, list style typ, type is none. So list style type is none. Okay, so that is gone. Unordered list, I. So we are targeting the I. The color we will need to change. Yellow R color hash FFF. So we want to make the icons as white, so they are white now. Unordered list, anchor tag. I want to do anchor tag. We are targeting border is 2px solid hash FFF. Okay, border radius is 50%. We want a round one. See, we want something like this. See this round thing which you're seeing. So we want something like this, but so border radius is 50%. Display is flex. Line items center. Justify content center. Height is, so height is 40px, and width is 40px. So they will make is the correct circle. Now they are the correct one. Okay, so then the only thing which is left is margin. Left is 14px, and text decoration is none, and it is showing perfect. Okay, it is showing perfect. Okay, now it's okay. Let's have a bit of margin here also. Yeah, so let's have a bit of margin there also. Okay, so where it is coming from here. Margin top 20px. Okay, it's okay. Now what we are left with the mobile layout. So where we are, design is here. So this is the mobile layout. Okay, so this is all it is. So let's go to the mobile layout now. So how to do the mobile layout? We'll make it like this. Okay, so now it is not at all mobile. Everything is this way, so it should not be this way. Okay, so let's do the mobile layout. Come here, make some space, add media, screen, and max width is 768px. Dot grid layout. So the grid layout, now the easy thing is grid template columns, which we have like above. You see, if you can see, the grid template column is 8FR, 6FR, there are two. So the easiest thing is to do is just 1FR. So if I do this, most of the things will be fixed, only the image is not fixed. So for that, let us make those things fixed. So first let's fix the logo, the Huddle, which the Huddle it is showing with this 200px. Okay, then illustration is our image, so dot illustration with this 44%. Okay, so this is done, and where is my unordered list? Okay, it's okay. Then the content is also going out a bit, so this dot content is width is 44%, and text line is center. Save it. Yeah, now it is coming right. Okay, and where, okay, because of this it is moving my icons. Okay, so unordered list, so unordered list justify content is, because this we had given it as display flex, justify content, flex send. So it will, if I only update the justify content, it will still be a flex, so it will be not flex send, it will be flex start. And so this will fix a lot of things. So see, a lot of things are fixed with this only. And let's move it at a big position is absolute, right is 26%, and this is done, and this completes our mobile view, and this completes our desktop view also. So desktop view and mobile view, both of them are complete, and so by this we complete our Huddle challenge. Hope you like the challenge. I will see you soon in another Frontend Mentors challenge.